We've just arrived at the stand now with Bespoke Fires, and Kevin McLeod, the main man, is just across the back of us there. He's coming over to see us in a moment. It's 10 AM and the doors are officially open now on the first day of the Grand Design show, and the public are already starting to come over and have a look at our fireplaces. So Kevin's doing his first appearance now on the first day of the Grand Designs Live. He's up on there now talking about a variety of different things when it comes to building a brand new house. Steve, you've done an amazing job, mate. This stand looks fantastic, mate. I can't believe how brilliant. Well, I can't believe it. Obviously, you'd make it brilliant. Are you proud of it?
Yeah, I think we've done a good job. Overall, it's our first attempt at doing the Grand Design, so I think we've gone all out.
I think it's brilliant for your first attempt.
We probably should have made it, took an easier task of it, but we went all in.
It's not like you to do an easy thing, though, is it?
No.
You definitely go, not over the top, but exceed above and beyond, I think.
Yeah.
So it's going to be a brilliant show, mate.
Cheers,
Can't wait to see what happens. Super excited to announce we've got a giveaway. It's this fantastic Lazio suite. It's the 2000 panoramic flame effect fire with all the stonework. It's worth over £5,000 and it could be yours for free. All you need to do is come down here to the Grand Designs Live. We've got free tickets in the link below. Once you register, come here, give us your details, and at the end of the show on the 7th of May, we'll be picking out one name out of there, calling it out, and you'll be winning this £5,000 Lazio suite, and it'll also be getting delivered and fitted free of charge. Now, the panoramic three-sided fires don't always have to be displayed on a three-sided one like this 700 here. You can just have it displaying the two sides like this, which I think looks cool in a smaller room and uptight in the corner, or of course just the one side, and you can have the two sides built in, so you've just got the flame effect on the one side. So come round and have a good look at the stand. We've got the Lazio suite here, worth about £5,000. It's fantastic, and we are giving this one away at the end of the show, even fitting it for free as well. I think overall there's probably about 15 different displays. This is the Step Elite suite. Then we've got the Denver suite. Denver suite really is quite a modern, traditional looking one. Steve and I did a step-by-step video of how to install this, so check that out on our YouTube channel. Now, this is the Verona base with the 700mm panoramic fire. Nice and slimline, looks fantastic, and it's got all this beautiful features, wall paneling around the sides and the stonework along the bottom and above. Now, this one is the Roma suite on there, looks absolutely fantastic, and we've got the Roma base here too, which would look fantastic in any living room or office, games room, or even a bedroom. Now, this is the panoramic 2000 flame effect fire. It looks fantastic, set in a media wall. Now, if you want to build your own media wall, check out our video on YouTube. We built a standard one. It's pretty much only the same size as the fireplace, but they've evolved on now in the design and the look. A media wall now can go right way up to the ceiling, the full length of your wall, and you can make as many openings in it as you wish. And I'm sure you'll agree, this looks fantastic. Now, the Milano suite, featuring a 1250 panoramic flame effect fire in there, has got the stone base, of course, and the stone on the top of it. A nice contrast of two different colours there, the very deep dark black and, of course, the white on the top. Now, this one behind me here is the Lazio suite, the 1500mm panoramic fire. This is the one that we've got in our house, in our hanging media wall that we've built. But this again has got stonework on the bottom and on the top of it. Bespoke Fires have a variety of different types of stone, colours, shades and designs. You can just see some of them there. Check out on the website which one you think will suit you, and then you can order one of these sample boxes. Now, they'll send out 9 different pieces of stone. You can feel the texture, how polished they are on there. You can see the thickness, feel the weight of them and the quality. And then, of course, all the names are on the back of them. So you pick which 9 samples you want sending out for literally $4.99 it costs you. That just covers postage and packing. These can be delivered directly to your house. So do check out the website, Bespoke Fires, to pick what size and what style you'd like for your house. So day one at the Grand Designs live show is now drawing to an end. It's been a fantastic day. So many people coming over to see the stand and see all the displays. Don't forget, we are here till the 7th of May and you can still enter the competition. You can get your free tickets in the description below. And also, if you're here, fill in one of our cards, give us your email address, and on the last day, we'll be drawing a winner out who will win the £5,000 Lazio suite.